Okay, dear students, in the last class we have finished up to question number 30 in exercise 5.1. Okay, we are in continuity and differentiability chapter, and 5.1 exercise entirely belongs to continuity only, and we have not yet gone to differentiability, and 4 more questions are left: 31, 32, 33, 34. These 4 questions we will finish now, and in the next class we are going to differentiability 5.2. Okay, let us see what they have given in 31st question. Show that the function defined by f of x is equal to cos of x square is a continuous function. Okay, you see, is it a continuous function or not? First, he has asked us to show that, but is it a continuous function or not? Continuous only. Why? Because see, x square is a continuous function. Whatever value you give, but positive value will go because x square is there. Minus 1 also square, plus 1 also square, plus 1 only will come. Okay, both positive values, but continuous. Okay, there is no diffraction, there is no undefined. Okay, that is why x square is a continuous. And without x square, if cos x is also continuous. Cos of x square means function of function. Function of function also, if two functions are continuous separately, function of function is also continuous, like we have seen algebra of functions, algebra of continuous functions. Okay, please keep in our mind. Don't write algebra of functions. If I have written in last class, I think, please change it as a algebra of continuous functions. Okay, that means f of x is equal to cos x square is a continuous function. We know very well. Okay, how to write? Okay, see, cos x continuous function, like you prove. If more marks for this question, or else for small marks means that what I am writing now, simple steps only you write and close this. Okay, see what I am writing now. Okay, see what I am writing now. Given that f of x is equal to cos of x square. Okay, first you write this one. Next, what you have to write? You have to write this one. Let f already we have taken, g of x is equal to cos x and h of x is equal to x square. Okay, logically you take f already given, cos you take g, x square you take h. Okay, gx, hx. Okay, now you write what you are writing. G of x is equal to cos x is a continuous function. See, directly we have written because we don't think this is for higher marks. Already cos x continuity I have told in the last questions. Okay, if you want you can repeat that procedure, but if for more marks only you repeat, or else you need not repeat it. Okay, g of x is a continuous function. Okay, next is what? Next, h of x is equal to x square is a continuous function. Okay, both you write first. H of x is equal to x square is also a continuous function. We have written. Okay, now you write what you are going to write. You are going to write as per algebra of continuous of functions. As per algebra of continuous functions. As per algebra of continuous functions. Okay, comma, f of g is continuous. F of g is continuous if f and g are continuous. Okay, see, here hx we have taken, but here we have written f of g. Why? Because see, one statement you are writing means you have to write a standard procedure. F of g, first f then g. F of g is continuous if f and g are continuous. Okay, therefore you write now again, or else you write first. You write this. G of h is equal to g of h of x is equal to g of h of x is equal to g of h of x is x square, that is equal to cos x square. Okay, is also a continuous function. Is also a continuous function. Okay, g of h is equal to f of x. Write down g of h is equal to f of x. Okay, like this you write and close this question. Okay, you need not write much. Okay, let us go for 32nd question. Okay, see 32nd question, what they have given. Show that the function defined by f of x is equal to modulus of cos x is a continuous function. This is also same thing. Why? Because cos x is continuous, we know. Modulus x is also continuous, we know. Why? Because modulus x, if you give minus x, if you give plus x will come. Plus x, if you give plus x will come. Continuously value is going to come. That means that is also continuous. Then function of function here. Algebra of continuous function of functions. Like that we have to take. Is continuous. That's all. Okay. Same thing we can repeat like last question only. Let us proceed further. How I am writing, you see. Okay. Given that f of x is equal to modulus of cos x. Okay. Now you write let first you write g of x is equal to modulus x and h of x is equal to cos x. Okay, h of x is equal to cos x. Next, what you are writing? G of x is equal to modulus x is a continuous function. Okay, modulus x is a continuous function. Okay, and then next what you are writing? H of x, write down. H of x is equal to cos x is a continuous function. Okay, both are continuous functions. Now you write what you are writing. You are writing like this. You see, g of h is equal to g of h of x is equal to g of h of x is equal to g of h of x means what here? H of x is cos x. Cos x is equal to, now g also will go modulus of cos x. Okay. Okay. Now you write what you are writing. You are going to write as per algebra of continuous functions. As per algebra of continuous functions. Algebra of continuous functions. Okay. GOH is continuous if G and H are continuous. Okay. Now you write therefore GOH, that is equal to modulus of cos x is continuous. Okay. That is equal to f of x, like that you can write, or else you will write modulus cos x is continuous means f of x only. Okay. Like this you write and close this question. Okay. Let us go for 33rd question. Okay. Okay. See the 33rd question. Examine that sine of modulus x is a continuous function. Okay. This also we know very well. Why? Because see, modulus x is a continuous. Sin x is a continuous. Sin of modulus means function of function is a continuous. Same thing like earlier question only we are going to write and we are going to finish this. Why? Because we did not give more details. Okay. Let us proceed further. See what I am writing. Given that not given. Why? Because fx is not given. Then you take this let f of x is equal to sine of modulus x. Okay. Now you write what you are going to write. Again write let g of x is equal to sine x and h of x is equal to modulus x. Okay. First one g, next one h. Okay. Now you write again. What you are going to write? You are going to write like this. G of x is equal to sine x is a continuous function. Okay. Next also h of x. H of x that is equal to modulus x is a continuous function. Okay. Now what you are going to write? You are going to write like this. G of h, GOH is equal to G of h of x is equal to G of h of x is equal to G of h of x means what? Modulus x. That is equal to what is G? G is sine x. That means sine of modulus x. Okay. Now see this you have written, but what you are going to write now? You are going to write as per algebra of continuous functions. Write down. As per algebra of continuous functions. Okay. GOH is continuous. GOH is continuous if G and H are continuous. As per algebra of continuous functions, GOH is continuous if G and H are continuous. Okay. Now you write. Therefore, GOH that is equal to sine modulus x is continuous. Okay. But like this you write and close. Okay. You need not write much. Let us go for 34th question. Okay. See the question. 34th question. Find all points of discontinuity of f defined by f of x is equal to modulus x minus modulus of x plus 1. Okay. But how do you think? Is it discontinuous really? No. Why? Because he wants to misguide us. This is not discontinuous. Why? Because see, modulus x is continuous. Likewise, modulus x plus 1 also continuous only. Why? Because see, x if you give 0, 0 will come. Minus 1, 1 will come. 1, 1 will come. Remaining all minus 2 means 2 will come. 2 means 2 will come. Okay? Like this. But here also you see, 0 if you give 1 will come. Minus 1 if you give 0 will come. Minus 2 if you give 1 will come. Why? Because minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. But after modulus 1 will come. 2 if you give 3 will come. 1 if you give 2 will come. That's all. That means continuously it is also going to give value. That means there is no point of discontinuity. Okay? Same value is going to come. Then how it is going to become discontinuous? This is not discontinuous. This is a continuous function only. Okay? See how to write this? Like last question only. Okay? Write down. Given that f of x is given. That is why once again you write given that f of x is equal to modulus of x minus modulus of x plus 1. Okay. Now you write down. What you are going to write? Let g of x is equal to modulus x and h of x is equal to modulus of x plus 1. Okay, these two you write. Okay. Okay. Next you write down GOH. Not GOH, G plus H. That's all. You need see this is not a function of functions. Okay, write down what you are going to write. As per algebra of continuous functions, okay, as per algebra of continuous functions, g of x minus h of x is continuous if g and h are continuous functions. Is it okay? First you read what I have written. As per algebra of continuous functions, g of x and minus h of x is a continuous function. Okay, why this is difference of functions? If g and h are continuous functions, okay, now you write therefore modulus x minus modulus of x plus 1 is a continuous function. Okay, now if it is a continuous function, what about discontinuity points? There is no discontinuity point. There is no point of discontinuity. Okay, like this you write and close this question. Okay. Now you see we have finished this exercise 5.1. In the next class we are going to start differentiability 5.2. Okay, thank you very much.